I would say that a good leader is someone who will put the greater good ahead of themselves.
Leading for the greater good for me means improving as many people's lives as you can during the short time that you're here on whatever project you're working on.
I've been able to utilize the classes and the coursework at O'Neill to help me throughout my process and my journey through leadership as the Indiana University Student Body President.
The Indiana Leadership Program was an opportunity for me to gain professional experiences, but also learn from O'Neill professors and faculty that provided professional workshops for us ILP students every couple of weeks.
I participated in the Washington Leadership Program. Being able to go to DC and study while also working full-time was very rewarding, and I can take that experience with me straight into the workforce.
The Civic Leaders Center is really special because it combines students that are interested in leadership and civic engagement.
O'Neill students are a different breed. They're driven, they're outgoing, they're passionate, they want to change the world, and they want to lead for the greater good. So when you meet someone who's in the O'Neill School, you know that they're going to change the world, make it a better place.